In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix green screen when playing videos on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type Internet Options. Click on it under the Best Match. Once the Internet Properties window is up, click on the Advanced tab. And here you'll find this option, Use Software Rendering instead of GPU Rendering. Enable that. Click on Apply. Click on OK. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Then click on the start button and go to settings. Click on system, click on display. Scroll down and you have to click on graphics. So once you find the option from here, which is hardware acceleration, simply turn off that, okay? Simply turn off or switch the button off. And for the final method, right click at the start button and then you have to select device manager. Expand the list for the display adapters and then you have to make a right click, select update driver to update your graphics card, search automatically for drivers. Then that's it, restart your Windows and your problem will be fixed. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.